Hello, so today we are looking at the tab controls, the new and modern tab controls that have been introduced by the Power Apps team to be able to help us navigate through our apps. So if I should play this app, I have this tab control. When I click on it, it selects the gallery that is listed or underneath the tab control. So how do you go about this? You can go to the insert, and when you come to the insert, we have the classic, which is the old one, and then the modern. On the new one, on the modern tab, this is where you can find the tab control or the tab list. When you click on the tab list, it asks you to connect a data source to it. So with the tab list, it has some default selections. So we have item 1, item 2, item 3 on the items property of the tab list, and of course you can increase it to say item 4, and you can also change it to suit your case. So in what I'm doing, I have changed it to suit exactly what I want to do. So we have the item 4 here. On the tab list control, when you go to the property pane, you have the on select, and then other items that we usually have. Then we have the default selection. When you click on the default selection, you can put in the when the user logs in first into the app, what item is it supposed to be selected, original or first. So here I can say item 2, and it's supposed to be a record, so you can bring the so this one will enable the app to automatically select 2 when the user logs in. Okay, so we see that I selected 2. Then the tab control also has a layout. So this is a horizontal layout. You can also pick the vertical layout, and it's supposed to change to be vertical. Okay, so with this, let's go back to what I showed earlier and how you can link it to a gallery, for instance. So I have the tab list here, and I also have a gallery. The gallery, I have a product data source, and so the data source, we have the category, the price, the model, the color, and so on and so forth. I have created a collection on select of this. So on select, I've created a collection that only selects the category, which is from the data source product, and the product is also linked to this gallery. Okay, so when the user selects the tab list control and select any of them, then it automatically filters the gallery. So on the items property of the gallery, I have filter the name of the product, the name of the data source, which is the product, where category is equal to tab list 3.selected.value. You see that the tab list is called tab list 3, as can be shown here, .selected.value. So quickly you can use this to navigate and also filter your data source, and it's a very quite straightforward, and it helps you to quickly design or adjust it without you going to design a new one. So this is, I hope this was very useful, and you can quickly leverage on the usage of the tab list. Thank you.